He's driving a Mercedes. Of course it. There's a lot of Russian moments here. It's just so difficult. The language barrier is a big problem. People we've encountered have been very nice. And
I think we're on the train going to the mountain cluster, and we are wondering if this police escort is Putin, because there's been quite a bit of road closures, so we got on the train instead of going by road. Today is Sunday, and there are police this is the road.
yeah,
This is the train to the mountain cluster
the 1
from
mile
Adler.
is not, obviously not so funny. He was half thinking of scratching it still, but
There's police every 100 feet.
But he's
watching the
doing great.
roadway.
His practice is not fun, so we'll see.
It's very safe today.
So we'll see.
No problems here.
It is what
Everybody's
it
been
is.
very nice.